So today's lesson is about multiply whole numbers and fractions. So open your books in page 725. So let's start. You can write a whole number as a fraction. As you can see, 12 can be written as 12 over 1. 12 over 1. Right? I discussed it already from the previous lesson that the whole number can be written as 12 over 1. We can put a denominator of 1. Example 1. Wild parrots spend 1/6 of the day looking for food. How many hours a day does a parrot spend looking for food? In this given, they are asking that if the parrots spend 1/6 of that day, how many hours is a 1/6 of the day? We all know that in one day, we have 24 hours. That's why you can see we will multiply 1 over 6 times 24. So this is how it goes. I'll be using the board to explain how to solve 1/6 multiplied by 2 over 4. Okay, let's start. So, one over 6 times 24. Isn't it the what it says from the beginning that we can put over 1 in the 24, right? Now the first step is not to multiply it right away. So, for us to reduce the number, we can check what are the greatest common factor of 6 and 24. Again, we will check what are the GCF of the whole number, which is 24, and the denominator 6. So we'll get the GCF of let's get the factors of 24. Factors of 24, 1 and 24. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. Is there anything else? None. Let's have the 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 times 6. 2 times 3. Is there anything else aside from this two pairs of factor? Now we will see which is the greatest. We'll circle it. Both of them have 1. Both of them have 2. And both of them have 3. Both of them also have 6. So which number is the GCF? The GCF is 6. You already know about this. But if you already know what's the GCF of 6 and 24, no need to show this one because I know that you know it already. Okay, so the GCF 6, meaning the 24 and the 6 will be divided by 6. So 24 divided by 6, what's a partner of 6? 4. So 24 will cancel, it will make it 4. The 6, the GCF is 6. 6 divided 6, that is equivalent to 1. Now, after cancellation, we can now multiply. 1 by 4 is 4. All over, this is now 1, right? 1 times 1 equals 1. What is 4 over 1? That is equal to 4. So the final answer is 4. Got it? So for the first given, the answer is 4. So in this given, a parrot's or 24 over 6 is 4. In the book, they use another way, but I suggest my way to use it because it's a lot more easier for you girls. So a wild parrot spends 4 hours a day looking for food. So right here also 4. So we're using the cancellation method, by the way. Okay, in this given, we're using the cancellation method. Alright, key concept. To multiply a whole number by a fraction, write the whole number as a fraction, which is we put over 1. Then multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. On your book, you will see there that the numerator was being multiplied by numerator, then the denominator was multiplied by denominator. Look, 1 times 24, 24. 6 times 1 is 6. And then they divide 24 over 6. Then we got 4. So it's up to you on what steps you like to use. It's either this step, multiplying the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, or first getting the GCF to make the numbers smaller. It's up to you. Let's have the next example. Alright, so the given is 2 times 4 over 5. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. So again, like the key concept, we have to put over 1 in the whole number. Then we will check if the whole number and the denominator have common factor. In this case, 2 and 5, they don't have common factor, so we will not do the GCF. So what we will do is we will multiply the numerator by the numerator, the denominator with the denominator. So 2 by 4, we got 8, and 1 times 5, we got over 5. Now remember that your answer should be always in simplest form, but in this case, 8 and 5, they don't have any GCF. That's why we will check, we will divide. How many 8 can we get from 5? 1. Yes, or if you want to do this, you can make 8 lines of 5. 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many 5 can you get from that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You make a circle. How many circles you have? You got 1 circle. How many is the remainder? How many was left? 1, 2, 3. So that will be your numerator. And the denominator, just copy over 5. If you want, you can divide 8 by 5. 8 divided 5, you will get 1. Then the remainder will be the numerator, and then just copy the denominator. So this should be your final answer. You will have an mixed number if the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Right, got it? Again, this is a solution for the second example. Okay, so let's write it on your book. We'll write here 8 over 5, or 1, the remainder is 3, and then copy the denominator 5. Okay, that's it. You'll write the same here, 8 over 5, or 1, that's 5, okay? 1, 3 over 5. Or you would write here 1, 3 over 5. Or when we estimate it, that's 2. Okay? We'll have 2 for that.